Thank you for joining this presentation on MobileMark's LTM model series configurations and nomenclature. Over this presentation, I'm going to be going over MobileMark's LTM series of multiband antennas, which are multiband antennas which can include up to 11 cables, up to 4 cellular 5G, 4G LTE, up to 6 Wi-Fi, and 1 GPS or GLONASS. These are our popular antenna series for fleet management, public safety, and public transit, and is a small dome antenna measuring 5.5 inches in diameter and just under 2.5 inches in height. Within this model series, we have 3 different variations. We have our 01 series, our 02, and our 08. Our 01 series are legacy 3G, 4G for the cellular. Our 02 series is 4G LTE for the cellular, and our 08 series is 5G LTE for the cellular. The 5G LTE elements cover up to 617 to 960 and 1710 to 6000 megahertz, covering low to mid-band frequencies for 5G. Additionally, within each of these model series, we have different number of cables available. For instance, our 302 would indicate 3 cables, which would be 2 cellular, 1 GPS. Our 402 series would be 2 cellular, 1 Wi-Fi, 1 GPS. Our 502, 2 cellular, 2 Wi-Fi, 1 GPS, all the way up to our 702, which would be 2 cellular, 4 Wi-Fi, and 1 GPS. Additionally, within this model series, we have our 900 series. And within this, we have 2 variations. We have our standard 4G, which is our LTM G900 series, which can have up to 4 LTE cables, 4 Wi-Fi 6E, and GPS. We also have our LTM WG900 series, which can include up to 4 5G LTE elements, up to 6 Wi-Fi 6E elements, and of course, GPS and GLONASS. Within these, the methodology is a little bit different than our standard LTM series. With this, all of them are our 900 series. The number after the 9 indicates the number of cellular cables, and the number after the cellular cables would indicate the number of Wi-Fi cables. So for instance, whether it be our 4G LTM G900 series or our 5G LTM WG 900 series, the 9 indicates that it's part of that 900 series, so it can have up to 4 cellular connections. The number after that then indicates the actual number of cellular connections. And then the number after that, the Wi-Fi. So for instance, our LTM WG 941, the 9 indicates that it's the 900 series. The 4 indicates that it has 4 cellular connections, and the 1 will indicate that it has 1 GPS connect or 1 Wi-Fi connection. Additionally, if we go all the way up to our LTM WG 946 series, the 4 will indicate that there's 4 cellular connections, and the 6 indicate that there's 6 Wi-Fi connections. Within our part numbers are specifics on the cable and connector configurations in there as well. So all of our part numbers start off with the model series. So for this example, we'll have the LTM 508. The next set of characters, which is a number and letter, indicate the cable type and connector type. The first set of characters are for the cellular. The next set of characters are for the Wi-Fi, then for the GPS. Then it goes over the color, BLK for black, WHT for white, and then cable length in inches. Additionally, if a GPS GLONASS element is required, we can insert a G in between the LTM and the model series, and that will indicate that it's for GPS GLONASS and not just standard GPS. Additionally, built within these part numbers are the specific cable types and connectors needed. So for instance, a 3 indicates that it's for low loss 195 cable, and a 2 is the code for RG174. Letters right after the numbers indicate the connector type for that line. So C indicates it's an SMA plug, J indicates that it's a reverse polarity SMA plug. With our 900 model series, it is a little bit different and gets a little bit more complicated. With this, we've built the same thing where we have the model series, then the set of characters, letters, and numbers for the cables and connectors for the cellular, then the Wi-Fi, then the GPS, and then color and cable length. Unlike our standard LTM model series, the way we work this is that their first set of numbers are the A line, which is for the first 2 cables for the cellular, and the B lines are the next 2 cables for the cellular. Just like with our standard LTM line, if you insert a G in there, that will indicate that it's for a GLONASS GPS, not just standard GPS. Additionally, with this model series, if we insert a W in between the LTM and the G, that indicates that it's a wideband 5G element, which goes from 617 to 7.2 gigahertz. Within that, for the A line, For LTE, we've got the first numbers and letters for the cable and connector type. W indicates for the cable and connector type for all the Wi-Fi, whether it be 1 or 6 Wi-Fi elements. We'll just have the Wi-Fi standardized with just one cable and connector type, and same thing with the GPS. Just like with our standard LTM, the 3 indicates that it's a low loss 195 cable, and the C indicates that it's a SMA plug, or J for reverse polarity SMA plug. We do have a number of different multi-band antennas in different shapes, sizes, and frequencies, as well as accessories to support them. All of our antennas are Buy America compliant, made in the USA at our factory in Itasca, Illinois. If you have any questions or would like any more information, please visit our website at mobilemark.com or call our office at 847-671-6690. Thank you for your time and allowing us to move wireless forward.